Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to fix lag issues on your Xbox Series S. So at the end of the day, these game developers have to optimize their games for the Series S, and some of them decide they'll make the game for the Series X, lower the resolution, and call it a day. So we have to kind of pick up from their slack, and there's one main thing that you can do in order to improve performance, and that is to go to Settings, then General, TV and display options. Not everyone will want to do this, but this is really the only thing you can do on your end. You want to go to resolution and you want to set this to 720p. So by default, Xbox Series S games will either run at 1440p or 1080p. And here's the thing, if you set the resolution to 720p, the games are going to run at that lower 720p resolution. The lower the resolution, the better the performance. So if you're having lag issues on the Xbox Series S, setting the resolution to 720p will solve those issues. Now, it's not the most convenient solution because if I click on it right now, you're going to see the I have a thing like a 34-inch monitor, and the resolution looks a bit blurry. You will get used to it. Don't forget the PS3 ran at 720p, the Xbox 360 ran at 720p. But you can say, oh, but that was 2005 and now 2021. I get that. But if you want better performance, you need to lower the resolution of your console, and then that will lower the resolution of the games. The lower the resolution, the better the performance. So that's all there is to it. Another thing is just nag the developers to fix their game, because that is the main reason why you are lagging on the Series S. It's not your fault that the game developers are incompetent. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.